Good afternoon to all of you over there. We welcome you all to the installation function of Energy of ERODE COSMOS for the academic year 24-25.
Meeting call to order.
Now I call upon Mrs. A. Sujita to sing Energy prayer.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all the children, notwithstanding the difference in our culture and creeds, endow us with the desire to serve our fellow man. Remembering that we too often need help whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our batch of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Next, I invite Ms. R. Kamachini, President of Energy Club of ERODE COSMOS, to welcome the gathering.
A very special afternoon to all present over here. It gives me pleasure to welcome every one of you. First, I have a great honor to welcome our Club Vice President, Dr. Mr.SARAN.N of Energy Club of ERODE COSMOS for her endless support and encouragement for all our various club activities. I heartily welcome you, ma'am. Now I would like to welcome all the members of Energy Club of ERODE COSMOS. I welcome you all. Once again, I heartily welcome on the dais and off the dais of today's function. Thank you.
Next, Secretary report will be read out by Mr.M, Secretary of ERODE COSMOS.
Good afternoon to all. On 17/7/2023, Energy Club of ERODE COSMOS installation was conducted. Projects carried out here. Educational assistance of rupees 10,000 to Sobika studying in Gobi Arts and Science College. Soaps to Mr.S. of A.P.Gobenath AP hostel. On 6/8/2023, breastfeeding awareness program was conducted in seminar hall. On 15/8/2023, Independence Day was celebrated. Sweets were distributed. On 5/9/2023, Teachers Day was celebrated. Students delivered poem. Various events are conducted to staff and students. On 6/10/2023, provided books to Madayapur School. On 8/11/2023, provided vessels for the needy people. On 17/11/2023, distributed crockeries to the needy people. DC visit on 28/11/2023, the following projects were done. Notebooks to Madayapur School students, education assistant to Selvi Sobika by Vice President Dr. Mr.SARAN.N, rice bag to N.L. Karnailam ERODE. On 7/12/2023, soaps were distributed to Miss Servants. On 9/12/2023, our Vice President Dr. Mr.SARAN.N gives education assistance of rupees 10,000. On 2/1/2024, soaps were distributed to needy people. On 8/2/2024, provided books to Madayapur School students. On 8/3/2024, Women's Day was celebrated in A.P.Gobenath AP College campus. Awareness program was conducted to girl students. On April, May and June month, soaps were distributed to Miss Servants. Today's project. Tree plantation in our college campus. Education assistant by Vice President Dr. Mr.SARAN.N to school student Nakshatra of rupees 6,000. notebooks to Montaipa school students. Thank you.
Highlight of the function, ordering, I call upon Vice President Mrs. Madam of Energy Club of ERODE COSMOS to order our new incoming President, Ms. R. Avachini. Next, pin, I call upon Ms. R. Avachini, President of ERODE COSMOS, to pin our new incoming Secretary, Mrs.M. Next, I invite Ms. R. Avachini to deliver acceptance speech and to introduce new members and new office bearers for the academic year 2024-25.
I am happy to introduce our office bearers of Indian Club of ERODE COSMOS in the academic year of 2024 to 2025. President myself, Vice President Dr. Sathish, Secretary M. Sumati Ma'am, Treasurer M. Anita Ma'am, ISO R. Gayatri Ma'am, Editor A. Sujita Ma'am. I feel very happy to thank our club Vice President Dr. Sathish Ma'am and all our club members selected me as the President for our club to the academic year 2024 to 25. On this occasion, I assure that I will follow the regulations and getting guidance from all members of Inner Club and activities for the